Okay guys, I got a question from some of you asking me, can you please show us Pinterest and Amazon affiliate marketing method that really works? So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make videos that will potentially go viral. And also, I'm going to show you how you can make one-page sales websites and how to host those websites totally free. So first thing you need to do, you need to find a product to promote. But because we are going to promote this product on Pinterest, demographics is really important. So when you come here on Business Pinterest, and when you scroll here, you will see that most of the Pinterest users in United States, 40% are between 18 and 34 years old. And when you click here, you will see that globally, 70% of Pinterest users are actually women, which means we need to find product that is actually appealing to women. So what I need to do? I need to go on Amazon and I need to find a product that is appealing to women. So summer is approaching, and because most of the Pinterest users are actually young women, so I'm guessing that summer dresses are actually appealing to those women. So here I will simply search for summer dress. And then here I can see there is lots of summer dresses that I can actually promote. So let's say, for example, I wish to promote this dress here. I need to click on it. And what I need to do, I actually need to download this image. Right click here, save image as, and save this image on my desktop. So next thing I need to do, I actually need to make a promotional video. So for that, I'm going to use Halo AI. Okay, so here I need to upload an image that I downloaded from Amazon. So simply click here, and this is the dress. And here I need to give it a prompt. So I will say something like this. Please make a video of a beautiful, happy girl wearing summer dress from the picture I uploaded. And then click here on create. Now, depending if you are free member, if you are using free plan, this may take a while, okay? So all I have to do now is just click here on 30 to give 30 credits, and I will actually have to wait. Here you can see I need to wait 18 minutes to get this video for Halo to make this video. Now, like I said, if you are a free member, this can take sometime 3 or 4, even 6 hours. So you need to be patient, okay? So Halo finished my video. Now it's actually good, but not that good, because if you pay attention, you will see that head of this girl is looking forward, but body is actually spinning 360 degrees. That is actually not normal. So usually I would simply go back here and I would give it a new prompt to fix this. But for the purpose of this video, I won't do that because I don't want to waste too much of your time. But you need to pay attention on those stuff because AI created videos have these errors, and you need to fix those errors before you upload this video on social media. So to download this video, all I have to do is just click here and then click here on with the watermark if you are using a free plan. If you are using paid plan, then you will have remove watermark, okay? Click here and I will download this video to my desktop. So next thing I need to do, I need to make my one-page sales website. Now for that, I'm going to use Google Gemini. Now, as you can see, all of these tools are 100% free. So here I will click on Canvas, and here I need to give it a prompt. Here I can say, please make one-page sales website for this Amazon product. And then I will go back here on Amazon, and I'm actually going to copy the title of this product. Copy this, and I will go back here and I will paste that here, okay? And all I have to do now is just press enter, and now Google Gemini will create this website for me. Here you can see it is already creating HTML code. Okay, so here you can see how this one-page sales website will look. So when I go back here, you will see the code. And here you can see there is actually no affiliate link. So I can simply set add Amazon buy button at the bottom and add my Amazon affiliate link. And I can simply go back here and I can get my Amazon affiliate link. So this is my link. I will simply copy this, and I'm actually going to go back here and I'm going to paste it here and then press enter. And now Google Gemini will recreate this website again, but this time it will add the bottom, Amazon buy button on the bottom, and it will actually add my Amazon affiliate link. So let me just scroll here. Here you can see buy on Amazon. And when I click on it, it will actually take me to the Amazon product. So here you can see that this website is actually not perfect. Here you cannot see the image. So what I can do, I can simply go back here, right click here, copy image link. Okay, go back here. And then when I go back here on code, I need to find that image. So let me just find that image. So when I scroll here I can see yourimageurl.com. So I need to replace this with the link to the image that I actually added from Amazon. So let me just go here, and here you can see this is the image of the dress that I actually found on Amazon. As you can see, this is exactly the same image. This is exactly the same dress. As you see, guys, you can play with it. You can change everything. You can edit everything. You can make it even better than it really is. So now when you are satisfied with your website, with your one-page sales website, what you can do, you can simply go here on code and then click here on copy, because we need to host this website somewhere. So you need to go on Google Sites, okay? Now, if you can host this on your own web hosting, it is even better. But if you cannot, if you're a beginner, you can go on Google Sites. Google Sites is 100% free. And you need to click here on blank site, okay? And here you can see this is how it usually is. So what we need to do, we need to click here on this trash can, because we don't need this header, okay? And then what you can do, you can simply click here on embed, click here on embed code, paste your code, click here on next, click here on insert, and here I will actually make this wider, okay? And just click here on preview to see how this actually looks. And this is how my website looks, okay? And you can also go back here, and you can make it, for example, longer, something like this, okay? And I will actually make it even longer. And let me just go on preview to see how it looks now. And here you can see this is how it looks now, okay? So what I need to do next, I need to click here on publish, and I need to choose a web address. So I will simply go here and I will say, for example, summer dress, okay? I will copy this and I will go back here. I'm going to paste it here. There cannot be spaces. Please only use lowercase, okay? I need to delete this, okay? So this is my URL. All I have to do now is just click here on publish, and I will publish this website. So when I go here, view published website, I can see my website. This is how my website looks. So what I need to do next, I need to go here on Pinterest and I need to upload a video that I created in Halo. Just click here and I need to find the video. So let me just find the video that I just created. So let me just find that video. Okay, it is in downloads. And this is the video. So now you need to optimize this video. That is really important. In the title, include your main keyword. In this case, it is a summer dress. In the description, also include your main keyword. Here, I need to add a link. That is a link to my Google Sites. I will simply paste that link here. You need to choose the right board, and here you need to choose topics, tagged topics, and you need to choose topics that are most related to summer dress. In this case, here you can see more options. You don't need to do anything here, but you should add alt text. After that, all you have to do is just click here on publish, and you will publish this video on your Pinterest account. And as you can see, these videos can be really good. And because Pinterest is competing with TikTok, with YouTube Shorts, with Instagram Reels, Facebook Reels, they are pushing videos. So it is more likely that your video will actually go viral on Pinterest than it is that your image will go viral on Pinterest. So you should upload videos, especially videos similar to this, and you will start getting traffic, you will start making sales, you will start making money with Pinterest and Amazon affiliate marketing. That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.